some oak, I got some maple. Wow. Yeah.
Hey!
Oh yeah.
30-inch red oak on deck.
Haley, Holly, don't stand there.
No, we got wood, man.
Stand there, Holly.
Blade cut.
I think it needs to. I'd say we put a new one on.
Okay.
What a day of milling. Whew, it's Sunday afternoon here, just getting back from my time with Pipestone Timber Company. Man, those guys are getting it, man. They're working hard. They started out just this year, well, kind of last year, but start with the big timber this year. They got that little mill, and they got a bigger mill on the way. Well, they got parts coming, and they're gonna hand build this great big super slab mill. And they have a jig table made to flatten slabs. They have a little kiln, and they're all set up. Yesterday, I decided to stick with them for the whole day, a whole day in the life of Pipestone Timber Company, and I got there like early afternoon, and they were at it since early in the morning. And we left the mill. My phone was dead at that time. It was dark, like late. We got to the kiln at the other property. We unloaded the old material out of the kiln, took the fresh inventory and put it in the shop. And then when I got back to my buddy's house there, we ate supper at 2 in the morning. and then he got up early this morning and went out, and they had to grade and sort and catalog and label all the inventory that came out of the kiln, and then they had to wash all the new slabs and stack them up properly and put them in the kiln all this morning. And so these guys, they all got full-time jobs, but they're really serious about this company. So they, on their days off, man, they're dedicated and they're doing it. So they're looking to get a big loader or something. They got a 5-foot or 6-foot diameter log coming to them, a maple. I think they have a 5.5-foot diameter white oak they're getting. So they're making the contacts, they're getting the sales, they're finding the logs, and they're going for it, and they're going to build the equipment. And it's really cool, man. But oh man, those guys work hard. Like early in the morning to the wee hours of night, man. They only get so many days off from work, and they're spending it at that mill making it happen. So that's pretty cool. Pipestone Timber Company, guys, check it out.